by that storm. Fortunately, no one was hurt. All right, I tell you what, the weather situation there in Oklahoma is incredible. It really is, but we'll keep an eye on that and let you know as more things come up here this afternoon. But what about the weather here in our area?
Well, luckily the weather here is looking good, and Oklahoma is getting some storms right now, and I know that's the last thing they need, but right now let's focus on Charlotte and get you updated on that, and we'll touch on Oklahoma here in a few minutes. But here's a view from our HD tower cam. You can see some gray skies there because actually humidity is a big problem today. We've got some high humidity out there right now, and we are almost at 80 degrees. You can see right now we're sitting at 79 degrees, winds moving at 6 miles per hour from the south-southwest, so pretty calm there. But again, look at this dew point, 70 degrees, and our humidity at 74%. So again, very, very humid, and our pressure sits at 30.04 right now. But right now, I do want to get you some neighborhood temperatures. Now again, most of us at 80 or just below 80. Myers Park, you're at 80, Highland Creek 83, Mount Holly at 76, but I have no doubt that you'll hit 80 a little later today. But all around North Carolina, check this out. Even in the high country, Boone, you've risen to 75. Now here in the Piedmont, Hickory at 80, Charlotte 79. As we move to South Carolina, you're at 81, Rock Hill and Lancaster, so looking pretty warm there. But it's going to get even warmer. Look at this. These are your forecast highs, what you can expect around 4 p.m. Now, again, we've all risen there to about the mid-80s. Lincolnton, you're 84. Charlotte, you'll rise up to 85. And Chester, you'll be at 84 later this afternoon. So do prepare for some warm temperatures. Now, take a look at this. We do have cloud cover moving to the east, but that doesn't change the humidity factor here in Charlotte and the Carolinas. Very, very high humidity, even though this cloud cover is continuing to move to the east. But what I want to do right now is zoom out and touch on this storm here happening in Oklahoma. Now, you can see right here, the storms are right here in this orange area, very, very bad. Now, this is just to the south of where the major damage happened yesterday. I'm expecting to see some hail, and yes, even more tornadoes are possible. So I hate to have to report that because I know a storm is the last thing that our friends in Oklahoma need right now. But right now, let's get you into your futurecast and tell you what you can expect. Today by 2 p.m., we've got a slight chance of some showers. But as we move into tonight at 7, I do expect some patchy thunderstorms to move in. Again, the humidity will still be pretty prevalent. And then tomorrow morning, that cycle continues. 7 a.m., very, very humid as you're getting out the door. Tomorrow afternoon, those storms do continue. They get a little worse, but again, I do want to emphasize very, very patchy storms. They're going to move through pretty quick. But then as we move into Thursday around 7 a.m., still very, very humid out there, so do be aware of that. But Thursday afternoon, we do have the storms, but this dry air will be moving in, and it should make for a pretty nice weekend. In fact, let's tell you what your weekend's going to look like. Let's get you the 7-day forecast. Now, again, today, we can expect some patchy storms, but as we move you into Wednesday, we're going to still be at 84 degrees, and those storms will continue. Thursday, we still stay at 83, but again, that dry air does move in for Friday and Saturday. We move back down in the 70s, but as we move into Sunday, we move up to 79. Those storms do continue to possibly be a bit of a problem into Monday. We'll be at 78, but rain is possible. John?
All right, thanks a lot, Katie.